Find promo codes for Taptap. In today's video, I'm going to show you the most effective ways to find and use promo codes for Taptap Send. So let's get started. To save money on your money transfers, first check the Taptap Send app or website for official promotions. New users often get welcoming bonuses with waive fee. Follow Taptap on social media for seasonal promo codes. On social media for seasonal promo codes and special discounts, join Reddit groups and Facebook communities. User shares active codes. Ask friend for referral codes. Both of you get transfer credits. Also check coupon websites like RetailMeNot and Honey for updated codes. And lastly, subscribe to TopSend's emails to get exclusive promo codes. Always verify codes before use since promotions change frequently, and that's how you find send promo codes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.